Welcome to today's quick tutorial on how to add a group to a custom list on WhatsApp. This is a fantastic way to keep your chats organized and ensure you never miss important updates from your favorite groups. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone or device. Once you're in the app, you'll want to access your chat lists. To do this, swipe down on the screen to reveal the lists at the top. Here, you'll see options to filter your chats. Next, tap on the Groups list. This will display all your group chats in one place. Now find the group you want to add to a custom list and long press on it. This action will select the group chat. With the group selected, look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see 3 dots. Tap on these dots to open a menu of options. In the menu that appears, select Add to List. This will allow you to add the selected group to an existing custom list or create a new one. Choose the list you want to add the group to. Once you've selected the correct list, tap Done to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully added a group to a custom list on WhatsApp. This will help you keep your chats neatly organized, whether it's for family, friends, work, or any other category you find useful. Custom lists are a great way to declutter your WhatsApp and prioritize important conversations. Remember, you can always edit your lists by long pressing a custom list name to add or remove chats as needed. This keeps your WhatsApp experience tailored to exactly how you want it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Take advantage of custom lists to streamline your WhatsApp communication. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.